capacity is 6.5 grams. The number is 11550-152. Let's see which floors are accessible. -3, -2, -1 are locked off.
Yeah.
This is B. Second floor after that.
Yeah.
What? This cannot be. Hey. But will it go up if somebody called it? Let's see. Oh, we can try. Hi.
It is Önskehemsgatan 43.
What did you say?
Önskehemsgatan.
Ah, Önskehemsgatan.
Yeah.
Oh, we can take the other one.
Yeah.
It's locked off, like very hysterical.
Yeah.
They got some old frames though here.
Yeah.
See where it will go. Yes, we can see from here something. On the 8th floor, it's not that tallest floor.
Yeah.
But still a nice view, look at that. Beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really beautiful, and the great weather we have today also.
Yeah.
Globen you can see over there.
Yeah. Of course.
Oh, it's...
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Is it going on? No. Okay, then we can rest.
Yeah.
Must have been the old panel there.
Mm.
We can probably check the year of construction of this residential building later.
Yeah.
And it was also replaced in 2013 with 14 stops here. December is 1155051. Yeah, Önskehemsgatan 43, stickers B. There's a stickers A also here.
Yeah.
But they're difficult to film. Because only B is open.
Mm.
Too hysterical here. The capacity is 4 persons, so 320 grams.
Spektiitpääkin vain eteenpäin. Oletko noudis gratis?
It seems that they made this elevator a bit faster than before.
Yeah.
Ground floor. And we inspected in 2023 the next year. Let's go.